Tired of killing every plant you bring home? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you 5 super easy houseplants that are almost impossible to kill. Seriously, keeping them alive is easier than killing them. If you love plants, hit that like button right now and subscribe so you don't miss the next video about keeping your home green and happy. Snake plant Sansevieria. This one's a legend. People call it the mother-in-law's tongue because it just doesn't die. It has amazing varieties like Moonshine, Laurentihoni American, and Croati. It's also one of NASA's top air purify plants, so it literally cleans your air while sitting there. It grows in bright or low light. It doesn't care. Water it once every week or 2, and it's happy. Just make sure the soil drains well, so the roots don't stay soggy. Which one do you think is easier to care for? Snake plant or ZZ plant? Tell me in the comments. ZZ plant Zamioculcas zamiofolia. Meet the plant that acts like a tank. Its shiny leaves clean your air and stay beautiful all year. It's almost pest-proof. Spider mites, aphids, mealybugs, they just can't touch it. It loves low light and doesn't need much water. Too much water can hurt it. So keep it simple. A little every 2 weeks is perfect. Some people even say having a ZZ plant brings calm energy and good vibes to your home. Pothos Devil's Ivy. This plant is smart, seriously. It easily adapts to low light, less water, and even low oxygen. No matter what soil you use, it says yes to everything. Leaf mold moss, sand cocoa peat, garden soil, even just water. It's a fast grower and perfect for hanging pots. Give it medium light and water when the topsoil feels dry. Spider plant Chlorophytum comosum. This plant never stops giving. It has tuber roots that store water, so it always has a backup supply. That's why it stays alive, even if you forget to water it. It loves bright indirect light. Water it when the soil feels slightly dry. And the best part, it multiplies easily. Tiny baby plants hang from its long leaves. You can cut them, put them in soil, and boom, new spider plants everywhere. Aloe vera. Aloe comes in 2 types, one for skin and one that's edible. It's not just cute, it's healing. Its gel can soothe burns, heal skin, and even help with digestion. It loves bright light and hates too much water. Water deeply, but only when the soil is completely dry. It's the perfect mix of beauty and medicine. By the way, I made another video about high maintenance plants, the ones that can actually make you stressed or even sad. Make sure you check that out after this one. There you go, 5 easy houseplants that even the busiest person can keep alive. And may your plants stay green, grow strong, and fill your home with peace and happiness.